Easier no. Your time is most valuable. Deciding and committing to taking your idea and making it real takes years, sometimes decades. During this journey, you'll have to stay focused. Daily, you will face options you should refuse. People will ask you to do things, opportunities will present themselves, and you'll need to decide whether to take them or not. To stay focused, you'll need to say no to most. In the struggle to say no, you'll encounter many pressures that can prevent you from doing so. Social pressures to be open and helpful, temptations of taking the easy road and doing what's familiar, demands from investors, employees, and much more. It is a hard task that you'll need to perform daily. You can make it easier by being clear about what your idea is and what you are trying to achieve. You may think you are already clear about your idea and its destiny, but can you complete the following with a short sentence that's easy to understand? I should not do this because... You'll know you are clear about your idea when you can.